Hi there, today I'm going to share the recipe of spiced cauliflower, peas and potato curry. Cauliflower is a superfood which is full of antioxidants and phytonutrients which helps protect against cancer. It also aids in weight loss and digestion because it has a high amount of fiber. And the ingredients are mustard seeds, turmeric powder, chili powder, garam masala, salt, 2 cloves of crushed garlic, pav bhaji masala, frozen peas, 3 small potatoes and cauliflower cut into medium florets. And since I'm using frozen peas for this recipe, make sure that you pre-soak those peas in warm water. And for this recipe, I'm using a generous amount of oil. We are going to, once the oil is heated up, we are going to add mustard seeds, and the way to check that is once you add mustard seed, it should start popping up. My flame is on a medium high at this point. Next I'm going to add cauliflower. I'm going to lower the flame to low and add cauliflower, and be careful while you're doing that because if cauliflower has a little bit of water traces, the oils would start spluttering, so be careful while you're doing that. And we're going to mix it and we'll let it saute for 2 minutes. At this point we can high the flame to medium. Going to make a small space of and then add crushed garlic. Mix it well and we'll let it saute again for 2 minutes. It has been 2 minutes now, and look at the texture that we got on the cauliflower, and that's the look that we wanted on the cauliflower, and that's the reason we were doing it. We were doing a saute on the medium high. At this point we are going to add potatoes and peas, and make sure while you're doing that your flame is on medium high, and we'll let it saute again for 2 minutes. And once we start adding our dry ingredients, we'll lower the flame to low, but for now we'll keep it on medium. Okay, since the flame is on medium high, you need to keep mixing it, and it has been 2 minutes now. We're going to add our dry ingredients. We'll start with 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Next we'll add chili powder based on your preferences, how chili or how spicy you want your to be. I usually add half a teaspoon of chili powder, half a teaspoon of garam masala. Again, this is based on your preference, how spicy you want your curry to be. I'm using half a teaspoon of pav bhaji masala. And pav bhaji masala these days are easily available in any Indian grocery stores. Next I'm going to add salt as per taste. And we're going to mix, we're going to lower the flame, and we're going to add a little bit of water just to make sure that our dry ingredients and vegetables are mixed thoroughly. Now we are going to cover this with a lid and let it simmer for 5 minutes. So it has been 5 minutes now, and by just looking at it, I think it will need another 6 to 7 more minutes and our curry would be ready then. So we're going to mix it thoroughly and let it simmer for again 7 minutes. And if you feel that your curry is sticking to the pot, you can add a little bit of water at this point. Otherwise, just cover it and wait for 7 minutes. So it has been 7 minutes now, and our curry is ready to be served. And we're going to garnish this with fresh coriander leaves. You can serve this dish with chapati and naan. And please try this recipe out, and feel free to leave your comments and feedback. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.